Good evening everyone. Today we are going to see about a design tool. So I'm gonna run through the basics of it. You will understand it better when I go through some deep classes of it, like each and every workflows and all. So before developing a software, for example, I want to show you some designs which I liked, which I have inspired a lot. For example, if you watch Kret's design, it's completely crafted for the user experience. You can utilize a beautiful visual experience in their site. For example, see how the texts are made, like brand guidelines is followed with them, like black and white. This is the majority of the colors you will notice in this site. The card designs, and then they call this style as glass morphism design. If you see this is called as like glass morphism design. It will be like glass at the top, and then if you see objects on the opposite, on the other side of the glass, it will appear in a translucent manner. So that is this style. They will call this like glass morphism. You might have seen in this in the latest Apple designs too. So before creating sites like this or applications, people will need a UI design. For example, they will need a structure. For example, the site should look like this, nav bar should look like this, things should arrive like this style, transition should come like this. So these are all the things they should need to have. So every application will have the things like this. Okay, so how Figma helps it in this manner is that there are a lot of designers in this here. It's like a community. You can find lot of graphic designers, UI designers. Figma will won't only have website designs. This will have mobile app designs and product designs. Figma is specifically made for this UI or UX designs. Okay. uh, Now you can search for many designs in here too. For example, I'm searching like construction projects and searching in construction projects. You can find similar 1 second. So I'm searching in my thing. 1 second. You can go to Google and then search construction project Figma designs. If you search like this, you can find number of web designs people have made for construction sites. Okay, see, this is one design they have made, like for construction website. You can see how the design is are. So now we are going to make a design like this. So this is another person's design. This is like a community. You can see others design and take inspiration. So this is others. So now what we are gonna do is, this is the user interface of Figma. It's simple one. Now here are the old designs that I have in my profile. So these are some designs which I have created for blueberries. This is a site for which I have created a visual UX or UI design. uh, Let it load. I will just run you through the interface. 1 second. So in this I have formed like a structure. This is the navbar of me. This is the hero section. So what is this hero section? When we visit a website, we will get to see a complete part, a majority part, this part. For example, if you go to irctc.co.in, this is the hero section. So the part of the website which you will notice at the second you load the site. So this is the hero section. This is the navbar. This is the hero section. This complete section. This is the hero section of irctc. So like this, it differs for each and every site. So this is the user experience design that I have made for blueberries. This is like a Dubai wellness company. So I have made like each and every pages. For about us I have made page, and for blog I have made a page, for contact I have made a page. So I will be able to share this designs and all this and all. We will look it as a deep thing while we are going to attend classes on it. So Figma is available like on web version 2, and then you can utilize it in mobile app too. like mobile app means like a application. You can download it in your PC or Mac. Sorry for mentioning it as mobile application. It will won't be available in mobile for design. So you will be able to design only from desktops. For example, now I am going to open Figma. Okay, so now I am going to open Figma. So this is the app that I have downloaded. Okay, so now it is loading. So you can have a similar app too. By logging into your Google credentials, you can access the Figma from here too. So see, this is one of my Figma interfaces. You can go to home means itself. Here I have logged in my ID. Okay, so this is an app. You can work from app or web. It's completely up to you. Okay, so now I am creating a design. If you go and create design, you can create a design. This Pigjam, we are not gonna go into that. It is similar to a Canva whiteboard, like creating notes for and flow charts and all. So it is similar to that thing. So now I have created a simple design. Okay, now I can name the design. So now I am going to name the design as Sunil's Creative Journey. Okay, creatives. I have named it as Sunil's Creatives. So this is the design name of mine. Okay, so now I have like a single page. Now I can add multiple pages too. So here if you click, this is like a, so you can customize assets. You can grab like a library. So how we will have like predefined components in others and all, like how HTML has bootstrap, so this have these components and all. So this mobile app, this application is quite slow. Let me use the Figma version itself. So now I am using this thing. It's getting loaded. Okay, so now what I'm doing is, so here are there are some tools. Okay, so to first introduce you, which is the main tool that we need, is this frame. What this frame does is, we need to place a screen to start designing. For example, I'm taking iPhone 16. So this is a screen. Okay, this is a screen. So it is placed in iPhone 16 size. So you can just 1 second. 1 second. You can just copy this too, and then use this as similar design types too. You can make it. So this is another screen. Okay, now we have like a 2 screens. So try to create more and more screens. Now I am just doing it for tutoring you purpose. So now I am placing it as home. So this I am placing it as welcome section. This can be welcome, and this should be home. Okay, just take 2 pages and work on. That is enough for now, and then we will go deep into this later on. Okay, so now 2 frames are ready. These are 2 screens. Okay, now we need to place many elements in here, correct? So these are like shapes. You can place like a rectangle. For example, in this you can place like a rectangle. I'm placing here like a rectangle. Okay, and then here I can take some elements, so like color contrast, and I can create number of things. Okay, I don't want color contrast. I'm keeping it like a light. This would be okay for me. I'm keeping it like an environmental website. Okay, so now I have done it here, and I'm doing the same thing here too. Okay, so let the both be the like same designs. Okay, and then now I'm adding a text. 1 second, let me add text in the proper manner. So I'm giving it as like ACCC. My application's name is ACCC. Okay, so now I can change the typography to, I'm giving it a rich font, like input. I'm giving it like a rich font, and then I'm making it as more bold, so that I will have better visibility. Okay, 1 second. I can add the size of it to like 16 and all. So I'm making it like a simple one. You can zoom in and work better on. now I have just zoomed in into it. So this is my thing. Okay. So now I have made that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the breadcrumb icon. So what is this hamburger? So people will call this as hamburger. You might have noticed this icon. One second, let me draw it and complete so that you can note what icon is it. You might have seen this in many places, but you would have doesn't noticed that this is hamburger. Okay, let me put another two so that it will look like a hamburger. Yeah, this is hamburger. You might have noticed at some points while you are clicking this hamburger, you will get the menu items get loaded. Okay, this is hamburger. People will call this as hamburger. Okay, so now we are going to place like a image. So for placing an image, you can use this too. Like we can place any image. Now for now, I'm placing my logo here. So I'm placing my logo here, and then changing the font here to my name. Okay, I'm just maximizing it. Okay, one second. I think I have created a sorry, I think I have created a wrong screen. So now I'm inserting image in here. See logo, I'm keeping it here. Okay, so now I have kept the image here. So you can add many number of shapes and ellipse to make it more cute. Like you can place images in this too, like second. See, this is like simple copy paste. I think in Windows you should use like Control Alt C to copy, Control Alt V to paste in here. You can do like this more and more. Okay, so now I am preparing like a basic lines to just separate. Okay, you can give colors to it. You can separate the lines of it. Then you can add more things. So what I'm gonna do is, so I'm gonna make a one second. I'm gonna make a rectangle that will separate each and everything, like a separation. So now I'm giving it like a small like this thing. One second. You can use this tool to pick up the colors. So this color, I have took up this color and I'm making it slightly lighter. Okay, I have made it more light so that it will won't appear. So my design is not matching, right? So I'm completely changing it to match my logo. Okay, I'm just taking out the pillar tool and then I'm completely changing it to match my brand. Okay, so a design process will take a lot of time if you are completely involved in it. Okay, so now I'm just running through these things. So you can place a lot of text to here, then you can place videos and all. So now I'm keeping like welcome to Regrets Initiative. I am placing it like here. So, okay, so now I have placed it like this thing. So in here too you can modify things and all, like making it into center alignments and all. You can make that too. In second, here you can make that under center and all. So it stand like this. In this with basic rectangle you need to build like a button like thing. For example, I'm placing a rectangle here. I have placed it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a color, so which is like a odd color. So I'm gonna fill in with the same thing, with the thing which I have done this. Okay, I'm done this. I'm going and changing it as for. Okay, so this is not that thing. So I need to add like a curved edges for this thing. Scan the X and Y are okay. One second. I need to make it quite like a button like finish. So now I'm going and giving corner radius. Okay, now I think you can see like a button. Okay, so just place one text there. Now I'm pasting like a text and then giving it high. Okay, so this is high. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clone this page like a simple copy paste operation only. There's nothing involved in here and all. So now I'm keeping like I'm deleting all this. You just place some beautiful things here like images and videos and then practice. Now what I'm keeping here is you can use this pen tools and all to draw some designs. Okay, this pen tool is a beautiful tool. One second. See, if you want to get like some slanting designs and all, this pen design will be that much useful. Yeah, for sure. You can't get something that is that much similar while you need like a curved design. So this is the design that I want, like a curved thing, like how it will go for a thing. So now I'm giving like something to fill out this thing. So now I need to fill this color. Now I'm choosing like a light thing. Okay, so I'm giving this for stroke is the border. I'm just erasing it out. So if I want to match this color, to select things you need to make use of this tool. Okay, just like the selection tool in Photoshop. If you might have worked out in Photoshop, this is quite easy for you. Okay, now I'm placing this and then I have erased the borders and all. So now I think you can see there are like pen tools available here and then pencil tools is also here. You can see that pencil tool is also here. You can add a comment to, for example, if multiple users are working, here is that icon. You can add a comment to, like here this is for this thing, like that. You can add a comment to. This is for interact, this is for attraction, like that. You can add a comment. If you give like this, a comment will be added. See, so that people can come and see. If multiple people are working in a design, they can easily add a comment. Here are like assets. There will be like multiple assets in here. For example, you can add like completely convert this page to HTML code or WordPress and all. So some may be free, so majority of them will be like premium ones. So you can also convert it into a code with direct option, but this requires a subscription from them. So I haven't subscribed to this and all. So now what we are gonna do is we have designed like a simple page. Okay, so now while clicking this button, I need like a slight animation from here to here. So now what we are gonna do is click this page, and then here are many designs like appearance, like how much it should appear, like the darkness of its appearance. If I gave like 50%, now can you see the difference? The whole page appearance is reduced. So now this button take, I'm giving it as like a 40%. Can you see the differentiation? Yeah, I think you can understand. So now coming to this home page. One second. Now I have came to this home page. So now I'm going to this button. So I need to establish an action here. So now I'm going to prototype. In prototype you should add an interaction. So here it is asking on tap or while pressing. So there's a difference between on tap and all. So like a single click on while pressing means if you click a click, so it will perform that actions. So there's like a keen difference between each and every one. Like dragging is different, hovering is just making your cursor like this, pressing means giving it a press, like that. It will differ. So now I'm giving while pressing, because normally buttons work like that. Action, what action I need to perform? you need to navigate to. You need to go to this page. So the action name is navigate to. There are multiple actions like that. Navigate to. So destination, where I should go, home page. Animation, it's asking what animation you need. I am giving like push animation. This is asking like a slide this page. No, I want it like this. The page should go up. This page will go up. I am going to play this design and show you. So now you can see there is like a arrow mark here. This shows that there is a flow, established. Now you can just play this design, and then you can see how things work. While I click the high button, see how beautiful is it. This is what I wanted to share with you today. So I hope you work on this a lot, and I'm really happy that you have worked on that AI things on N8. So have a great day, keep learning. Thank you.